Hi guys, this is Abid. Today I am going to make my video on batik in layers. Batik is a wax resist art. You can apply wax on fabric in different ways. In this video I am going to apply wax with brush. I am sure you will enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it and press the bell icon. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. I always love barren trees. Barren trees are very good option for batik. This is very easy to make. In the first layer, apply hot wax on the fabric and make tree trunks and branches. I am trying to show the background, middle ground and foreground. My first layer is in white color. If you want to change it, you can apply the light color on the fabric before batiking. My first batik layer is ready now. I am sprinkling the hot wax with brush. I am using grey color on my first batik layer because I am trying to make winter scene on my fabric. You can change the color according to your desire or requirement. In second layer of batik, make trees behind the first layer of trees and repeat the method. When you apply the color on the fabric, let it dry first and then apply the second coat of batik. In the first layer I used grey color. Now I am using light blue in second layer of batik. Second layer is ready. Let the fabric dry first, then apply third layer of batik. Apply the third layer of batik and sprinkle the wax over the fabric. Paint the third layer of color but in dark blue and let it dry. After the fabric dries, remove it from the wooden frame. Now it's a time to remove wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can find the link in my video description. My batik piece of art is ready after ironing and washing in hot water. Thanks for watching. If you really liked the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and be sure to press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.